Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're gonna talk about how to score maximum marks in NCHM CT JEE to score the highest rank possible. So today I have my friend Dhruv over phone, and we were discussing together how to actually score the highest rank possible. And just to tell you that we are both in IHM Lucknow currently in our second semester, and we are stuck in our second semester because of this lockdown. And so we decided to make a video over this topic. So Dhruv, hello, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. So,
So
friends, how
today
are you?
they must be doing well inside their
Yeah,
home. They must be preparing for their entrance examination. So I thought today that I should tell our subscribers to work in a specific way to actually get the highest rank possible. So what was your rank, Dhruv? First of all, let's start with that. What
my
was your
rank
rank?
was 10,000 something.
10,000. Okay, that was not actually something
Yeah, it's
good, but
not a
still,
good, but
you managed to get IHM Lucknow. That's cool, isn't it?
yes.
Actually, okay. Now coming to me, my rank was 4,268. And I was actually preparing for this examination for last 6 months. But actually, what I did was that just I bought the book and kept it in my cupboard. I did nothing else. And just wait a second. Okay. So a day before examination, I opened all those books and I started studying. And I was actually having a strategy. I was clear with my strategy that I have to follow these strategies to gain the highest rank possible. So as we all know, there are 5 sections in this NCHM City JEE examination. Dhruv, can you tell about those 5 sections? Hello.
Yeah, hello.
So can you tell about those 5 sections which we have in our NCHM City JEE examination?
Yeah, first we have maths and
Maths,
then
that's
hello.
hello. So Dhruv, what are the 5 sections?
Yeah, we have five sections. First is general aptitude, second is service aptitude, and then we have English, then we have quant and reasoning. That's it.
Yes, that's it. Those are the 5 sections we have in our
Yeah.
NCHM City JEE examination. And let me tell you about all these 5 sections and how you're gonna attempt each and every question in these sections. So first of all, let me tell you there are 50 questions in English section, and it
Yeah, you're
contains
right.
the highest weightage.
Yes.
It contains the highest weightage, and after that we have service sector. It also contains it has actually no minus marking. So this is
Actually, I
the
wanna say
most
something.
what
Service sector is one of the easier
yes, but
section.
you have to have a good grip over English to actually gain highest
Yeah,
marks in service sector too. And it don't have any minus marking, so you are good to go with that. And after that we have general aptitude. General aptitude is something like if you know the answer, you're gonna attempt it. If you don't know, you're gonna skip it. There's nothing to waste time over this sector. And
yeah.
then we have quant, and then we have reasoning. So these are actually very personal to each and every one of you. If you are good at mathematics and other things, then you can easily actually score good marks in this section. But we will be talking about this later on in this video. So
Hmm.
first, what you have to do is that you have to complete your service sector. So what is this service sector? This service sector is actually about general general awareness or something like that. The questions will be very simple, and you have to actually reason yourself, and you have to answer what would be the best thing to do in that given situation.
Yeah,
For each
you'll have to answer by your common sense.
common sense, of course. So
Yeah,
each correct question will give you 4 marks, and each wrong questions will not actually be deducted a single marks. So you are good to go with these sections. And after that we have English. English has 50 questions, I guess, and each question will give you 4 marks, and
yes,
each wrong question will give you actually a 1 minus marking. So after we move on to the general awareness section, and here we have 30 questions, I guess. Each question will give you 4 marks, and each wrong question will give you -1 mark. So
yeah,
here you don't have to waste much time. If you are knowing the answer, you are good to go. You are good to answer that. And if you don't know, simply leave the question and move on, because there is nothing to waste time thinking over this section. Then we are left with the two most important and game player sections, which are quantitative aptitude and reasoning. So these two topics actually play a major role in deciding your rank. So if you're good in mathematics and other sectors, you can actually easily score good marks, because the questions are basically from your 10th and ninth mathematics
yeah.
section.
Very
Am I right,
simple
Dhruv?
questions.
Very simple questions, but the thing is that you actually forget these questions of these theories over time. So you have to actually revise a bit over these
Yeah, actually,
sections.
at that time we have a lot of time, so you have a lot of time. So
So you are currently having a lot of time, because
yeah,
everything is closed and your examination date has also been postponed. So as I told you, the strategy will be first to complete your service sector with a cool mind, and you will be having a good motivation on track with these questions. After that, you could go for English section with a cool mind. You can easily score a good marks in English section too. After that, go for the GK, and then if you will be having enough time to think about each and every question in your quant section and your reasoning section. Am I right, Dhruv?
Yeah, you're right.
And in this way you can actually score the highest rank possible. So one thing more, stay calm in your examination. There's nothing to panic. You will be having 3 hours, and I guess 3 hours are enough for 200 questions to compete and think about.
Yeah, it's enough time.
So Dhruv, how was your experience in that NCHM City 2019?
It was a pretty good, and there
For the
was
first time,
nothing. Actually,
for the
first
first time,
time. Yeah,
NCHM was conducted by NTA, and we were giving the examination online. So it was a good experience, don't you think so?
yeah,
And we even got a pretty good college, that is IHM Lucknow. So there's nothing to complain about.
yeah.
So
Actually,
Dhruv,
guys, I'll suggest you something. You don't have any need to be panic because NTA means National Testing Agency, and it makes a very easy paper. So don't be
yes,
panic.
the questions were quite easy. Like they were not even hard or easier. They
Yeah,
were like up to the mark and acceptable. So everything was great. Then we had our counseling sessions, and then we were actually in our college, that is IHM Lucknow. So Dhruv, how was your experience in IHM Lucknow?
yeah. Actually, I have already told you.
Yes, we have already told
Yeah,
that, but just to say something,
yeah. It was good, and right now
elaborate
I'm
it
in
actually.
quarantine. Yeah,
Everyone is in quarantine right now.
yeah.
So guys, that's it for today. If you have any questions, you can actually ask in our comment section. Dhruv, would you like to say anything to our
Yeah,
subscribers?
so guys, like this video and do subscribe to our channel and stay safe and prepare for your NCHM J 2020 examinations. Best of luck. Goodbye.
So guys, goodbye. Take care. We will be uploading few more videos very soon in our channel. So goodbye. Signing off, Harsh.